What's up, everybody? It's Mustache Trading here, and I'm coming at you here with the Zoom U and SPR analysis, just kind of covering back on what's going on with these trades. So here on Zoom, it was a very small loss. It's about a 16% loss in comparison to what we were looking at getting. So nothing big so far, but the trade is still holding up. The big thing on why I cut it, though, is because I'm kind of taking 50% of this candle here. I kind of cheat, and I'll grab the fib. And I'll grab the 50% there just to see the better control point. Price is rising over it, so I'm not going to mess with it yet. But it is still looking good for downward momentum towards earnings. So IV is going to pick up. So if you want to leave this ticker alone until after then, that's totally fine. I'll probably do the same. But as you can see, lowering volume while we're getting to that. So I really do think this will break down. So I am going to be looking for this to re-break back down under that level right there at 314.20. So lost for now, but we do still have a lot of trade opportunity. And let's head on over to U. Currently, U is actually up really nice right now. Let's see. I have the contract up on my other screen. Yeah, we're up at 320s right now. So pretty much right above where we entered. We're not up crazily. Same as SPR. SPR is just a little bit up. So we're both just barely green. But as you can see on our charts, it'll make a lot more sense. U on the intraday analysis here, we're at resistance. So above this, we're looking better, which I typed this in the morning. So no biggie. You should already have these on your charts. But the bigger time frame analysis, as you can see, we're still trying to head towards that bigger, towards the top side of the channel. But a lot of flow on this one. So if you want to take your profit slowly on this one, go ahead. But we're expecting some more move to the upside on that one. But stick to the levels. If you want to raise your stop loss, that's totally cool too. I already said that in the message as well. If you want to raise it to previous day high, that is a good spot. If you want to raise it to today's high, that's a good spot when it breaks out this. So totally on you, but that's what we're watching on that one. And then last but not least, SPR. This is going to be a airline related ticker, so I'm going to be watching other airlines. And since this was a weekly time frame analysis, oh, and hold up before I switch on over, back to you. This is also weekly play. So as you can see, bullish engulfing. This is going to take time to play out. So don't expect to be, don't expect to just fly just instantly, which it's not, so expect it to take some time. So that's what we'll be looking for, but very strong candle in a very strong spot. So we'll be looking for this to recover to at least the 102s. If you can get that pop, definitely take profits. But remind yourself how much time you have on these contracts. These both are at least June to July contracts. So definitely keep that on watch. But as you can see, SPR here, same thing, bullish engulfing. And I'm pretty sure Boeing did the same thing. My chart would load. Yeah, Boeing did about the same thing. It's a piercing line, so about the same. But as you can see, that's a very strong airline. You can also check Jets for comparison too. Jets. So here's Jets in the weekly. So it's not going to be an as strong pattern. But as you can see on this, we're really looking above 2640s. And this is the airlines ETF, so that'll really help SPR if all the other airlines pick up with Boeing. But as you can see, again, it's a timely contract. We're just looking to hold. So don't be surprised if there's a couple red days in between. So these are going to definitely be longer holds. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy these trade plans. I hope this really clarifies any questions anybody had. Let me break it down on the daily and the smaller time frame though. And yeah, it's against perfect levels. We have all these charted. So again, I'm just grabbing from the emerging candles, gap ranges, all that good stuff, and then we're moving them on over and we're just applying it. We're really just focusing on what's going on. Now that we're in the trade, we really just have to sit here and sit on our hands and focus. I really like the wick on this side, and I like that we're still sitting above this candle. That's really good. This is actually a good kicker signal, if anybody knows what that is. As you can see, price was right here. Next day, we gapped up above this candle entirely, so that's a good little signal there that there's good bullish momentum, and we had a spike in volume. So I don't expect it to just parabolically fly. It could do this. It could come down, hold this. And again, why do I have that orange level there? It's not that level. It's the white one. But I mark the level in between. So you can get your 50% control point, and you can watch where do I need to cut. So if this does come down below this gap range, and it does come down, I need to be watching the 50%. So that's why you kind of see me do that. And you'll see me cover these more in videos as we do more. But both contracts in the green have been for most of the day just very slow movers. But that's why I just kind of wanted to clarify all that. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.